In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a customizable block text. I'll post a link to the arcade font file used in this tutorial in the description below. Let's create a new text object. Blender almost crashed. Text objects don't work well with a screencast add-on I'm using to show the keystrokes. I'll turn that back on. I'll use the arcade font, but you can use any other blocky fonts. I'll just turn off the screencast add-on for good. Extrude. Convert to mesh. We can separate the blocks by going to the edit mode and pressing P to separate by loose parts. However, there's a very important step we must remember to follow. What if I was to animate this text and wanted to move a single block away from the rest? This issue will occur. The separation didn't just separate the blocks but the polygonal faces as well. In order to prevent this issue from occurring, we must remove the doubles before separating by loose parts. I'll show you what I mean. Now it's working perfectly. Let's set up the render scene. In edit mode, right-click and press S to subdivide. 100 subdivision cuts would be enough. Let's select some random faces and extrude them downward. This is the end of the block text tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.